Hi boys and girls, welcome to this week's lesson, and today we'll be revising a few topics that we have learned about this term. Go ahead and test yourselves to see how much you remember. So this is the last math lesson before our end of term quiz or test. Let's go with question number 1. Which of the following represents an exponential form of the expression below? So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it A, 3 to the third, 3 to the sixth, 6 to the third, 6 to the sixth? Number 2, which of the following represents the value 4032? 4032. Number 3, what is the value of the 9 in 39653? Is it 90, 900, 9,000, or 90,000? So this should be a 9,000 here. Number 4, which of the following shows 6,804,671,563? Number 5, the number 3, 4, 6, 7 may be written as in expanded form. And here we have our options. It says, read the instructions carefully and then complete the following activities. Number 6, complete the table. So we have the number, the base, the exponent, expanded form, and standard form. So 3 squared, the exponent is 2, standard form is 9. So let's just work this one together. So the base number would be 3, the expanded form would be 3 times 3, and standard notation, the expanded notation would be 3 by 3, and the standard notation would be 9. Let's see if we could work this one out. So the expanded notation is 10 by 10 by 10 by 10 by 10. So what would be the number, right? What would be the base? What would be the exponent? And then the standard form. Let's go with this one. 4 to the third power. The base is 4. The exponent would be what? How would that be written in expanded notation? And the standard form is 64. Number 7. Which of the following represents the shaded region? Is it A union B, or the union of A and B? Is it A intersect B, or the intersection of A and B? Is it that A is a subset of B? Or D, is it that B is a subset of A? Which of the following statements are true for the Venn diagram shown? The intersection of A and B is null, there's nothing. The union of A and B is nothing. The union of A and B is equal to A, or the intersection of A and B is equal to A. Number 9, observe the following Venn diagram and then use it to answer the questions below. So we have J and K, we have 1, 3, and 5, we have 2 and 4 in the intersection, and 6 and 7 there. So set J is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set K is equal to 2, 4, 6, and 7. What are the members of set J? What are the members of J? What are the members of the universal set? That would be everything represented. C, or what are the members of set J intersect set K? The intersection of J and K. Describe the members of set J. Number 10, what is the perimeter of the given shape? So here we have 8 by 8. So what would be the perimeter? Would it be 16 centimeters? B, 64 squared centimeters? C, 64 centimeters? Or D, 32 centimeters? It says find the perimeter of, well, this can't be a triangle. This would be whatever this shape is. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. This pentagon, irregular. So let's go. How would we find the perimeter? Is it going to be 63, 45, 53, or 54? Use the diagram below to answer items 12 and 13. So here, this would be 3, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3. It says, and we have a question mark here. What is to be placed by the question mark? Okay. Is it 18 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 9 centimeters, or 28 centimeters? We did some of this before. We know we're going to figure out what one side is in order to determine the length of the next. What is a polygon? Next one, number 14. Write whether each statement is true or false. The perimeter is halfway around a shape. A polygon is a closed shape that has all sides equal. The total distance around a shape is the same as the area. D. Perimeter is measured in square meters. E. The perimeter of a rectangle measuring a length of 6 and a width of 4 is 24 centimeters. Number 15. Jason bought a triangular stencil for his art class. Determine the perimeter of the stencil if each side measures 4 inches. Number 16. A pyramid is a polyhedron whose lateral faces are rectangles, triangles, parallelograms, or rhombuses. Number 17. A cuboid has 12 edges, 4 faces, 6 vertices, or triangular faces. Number 18. If a polyhedron has 6 vertices and 12 edges, what is the number of faces it has? Is it 6, 8, 12, or 18? So that brings us to the end of our revision lesson. In this lesson, we looked at several topics done since September. Take your time. I will leave a link. You should plug your answers in to see what your score would be. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode.